Good morning and welcome back today. Now today is a very special day. I have surpassed 800 students on Udemy and I've got 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Thanks to you guys. And then I also received a very special gift from one of my students. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, and at the end of the unboxing I want to give back to you guys as well, and I'm going to tell you how to enter into a competition. I want to give away 3 of my online soap making courses. So if you're interested in winning a soap making course, keep watching and then I'll show you. But first, I have to open my gift. I'm really curious. Now, this comes from Nabeelah. She is in Cape Town and she have sent me apparently the first 10 batches of soap that she's made after she's done my course. So it sounds like she's done already many other batches as well. So I will leave her contact details because it seems like she's on the point of starting to sell her soap. So let's just open this gift. I'm really curious and I would really love to see it. So zip this one open here. Oh my goodness, beautifully gift wrapped in blue. Thank you, Nabeelah. I did not expect it to look like a gift as well. I knew it was a gift, but this is beautiful. Okay, let's see. Okay, you made sure they're not gonna fall out along the line. Now, what is so nice about this for me is it's the first time that I receive a gift from one of my students. So this is for me really special. So it's the first time that I have the ability to see in real life what happens with the information that I give out to you guys. Okay. And I love upcycling. Girl, you're a woman to my heart because upcycling is a very important thing for me. And then I have a lovely letter here as well. Okay, this is so beautiful. Thanks. I think I'm going to read it for you guys. Tannie Ansa. I do not have the words to show my gratitude for what Tannie Ansa has done for me. Your gift and countless hours of education is what gave me the courage to dive into this wonderful world of soap. Thank you so much for everything Tannie has done for me. This is a small gift to show my appreciation. My first 10 bars of soap. Okay, so this is absolutely a lovely, lovely letter, lovely gift. Thank you, Nabeelah. I really do appreciate it. Oh, and they're all gift wrapped in their own little wrappers as well. I apologize, there was a little bit of a pause in the play here. I didn't realize that my exposure on my camera was totally off, so everything was actually very overexposed. But it gave me time to unpack my lovely gift and open it up, and now I can show it to you properly. So this is Nabeelah's very first little soap. She was very, very brave. She used all of the colors that she bought and used it in one soap. So for a very first soap, for a brand new soap maker, and she used a fragrance oil that she bought in South Africa. Double proud of you on that one, because it is notorious that most of the fragrance oils that we have available in South Africa, they usually accelerate with the speed of lightning. And yeah, and it did happen with her, but still she rescued it and it came out this beautiful, lovely little soap. So it's brightly colored and it was scented with flower field. Then she have the second one is a mocha soap. So it was a coffee mocha. Then the third one was an unscented activated charcoal and turmeric face bar. And then number 4 was a jasmine fragrance oil. Look at this lovely colorful soap. And then this one was a Moroccan. So I think it's Moroccan red clay that she used in it. It also actually came out very nicely. And it seems like this is a coconut oil soap. The white color actually give it away there. I'm just going to double check with her, but I'm about sure about that. Then number 6 was a mysterious forest fragrance. Look at these lovely swirls. So lovely pattern that came out here. It is a beautiful, beautiful soap here. And then we've got a mandarin coffee and mocha. Now, oh, you can eat this. It smells divine. So this is also, and to get straight lines, it's a challenge, but you've nailed that one. Now this specific one, it is the number 8, Citrus Explosion, Mandarin Essential Oil, Sweet Orange Essential Oil, and Grapefruit Essential Oil. Sorry, I have to sniff this one. Oh, it smells so nice and fruity and clean. Now this was the malachite pour that she used here. I don't even know if there's a malachite pour. I made a malachite soap and I made malachite pour soap. So click in the description box if you haven't seen that one yet. It took me nearly an hour to do the malachite pour, and I did mine unscented. Hers is scented. Well done, Nabeelah. I'm very proud of you. Then this one is a Secret Garden, Neroli Essential Oil, Sweet Orange, and Grapefruit. It smells very, very nice. I love the citrusy smells. And then this Black Marble. This is absolutely exquisite. Look at this lovely color. The color choices is awesome. The swirls came out just divine. It is awesome. I love it. So there you go. That was Nabeelah's first 10 soaps that she made. She has made quite a few more after these as well. So, but thank you very much, Nabeelah. I really, really appreciate it. It is very seldom. It's the first time that I get a gift from somebody else that actually learned from me. So thank you so very much. I'm lying. I received one soap from another lady as well. So hers was also, it was a beautiful soap. But yeah, this is my first student from afar. So thank you very much. To get back to the competition that I want to do, or giveaway. Yeah, it's not really a competition. You don't need to jump through hoops and do polymer kisses and all sorts of funny stuff. I will tell you just in a moment how to enter into the giveaway. The reason for the giveaway is to say thank you to you guys as well. We have reached 500 subscribers. Without you, it would not have been possible. On my Udemy Soapmaking course, I had 800, a little bit more than 800 students at the moment, with a 4.7 rate out of 4.7 star rating out of 5 stars. Thank you so very much for your kind feedback as well. I really appreciate each and every one of my students. I love teaching soap making. I love sharing my knowledge about soap making. So if you really want to learn something extra, even if you're already an old soaper, I still learn every day from other people. I love watching other people's YouTube videos because there's always something more to learn. So if you're interested in the soap making course, all that you need to do is leave a comment or something that you would like to see me do in the future. So that is all. You don't need to share and do all sorts of funny stuffs and so on. Just leave a comment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use TubeBuddy, and TubeBuddy will choose 3 of the people out of the group. So I think we're going to leave it for about 2 weeks. So if you're interested in a free soap making course, just leave the comment. That's all it is to it. If you want to know more about the soap making course, I will leave a link in the description box as well, directly to Udemy's site, the course on there. So you can have a look at the whole curriculum there. And I can also leave a link to an intro video that I've done for it. So it's about a 4-minute video just to give you an overview about what you can find in the soap making course. So thank you again for all your support, all your love, all of your encouragement, kind words, and everything that you send to my side. I really do truly appreciate it. And I will, in 2 weeks' time, leave the names of the winners in the comments here. And I think I will make a new video just to announce them, that I will link to this one as well. So just check out at the end of the video. If it's a little bit in the future, then you will know who's the winners and so on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just send you a free link to the soap making course that you can use to enter it. And if you sign up in the course, then it is yours for life. You can do it at your own time, your own leisure, wherever you are. So all the best for you guys. Until I see you guys next time again. Be blessed.